How to make dining reservation on my Disney Experience app. First thing first, you need to make sure that the application Disney Experience is installed on a device. Once it has been installed, open it. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your specific account. Once you are in here, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is select the very first option, check dining availability. Now you have to select the size of the party. Once you have selected, you have to select the day and the date that you want to reserve. Once you have selected the date, you have to search by time. Select whichever time that you want to. Let me select lunch. Now it will show you all the available options. From here, click on any of the options that you prefer. Click on skip at the bottom. Now you will have to enter your card details. Enter your credit or debit card. If you have already entered your card, click on this checkbox and click on Book Now at the bottom. Once you click on Book Now, the dining reservations will be done successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can make dining reservation on my Disney Experience app. Make sure to smash the like button and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.